Rome was not built in a day. A stitch in time saves nine. As you sow, so you reap. Never cry over the spilt milk. Where ignorance is bliss, it is folly to be wise. Every cloud has a silver lining. Don't count your chickens before they are hatched. Brevity is the soul of wit. Least said, soonest mended. Child is the father of the man. Sweet are the uses of adversity. Man is born free, but everywhere he is in chains. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? An open mouth betray an empty mind. All is fair in love and war. Action is thy duty, fruit is not thy concern. A thing of beauty is joy forever. Love is blind. A man is known by the company he keeps. A little learning is a dangerous thing. The face is the index of the mind. The higher the man, the baser his crime. A right man never wants a weapon. It is easier to rule a kingdom than a family. Fools dream, the wise act. A feather in hand is better than a bird in the air. Drinking nothing without seeing it, sign nothing without reading it. Charity begins at home. Empty vessels make the most noise. Even an elephant sleeps. Little things please little minds. Caesar's wife must be above suspicion. The belly teaches all arts. Good fences make good friends. The wages of sin is death. Every dog has its own day. All that glitters is not gold. Wedlock is a padlock. Marriages are made in heaven. A honey tongue with a heart of gold. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Flatter thy name in woman. No pain, no gain. Experience is the best teacher. He that seekest findest. An ideal man's brain is the devil's workshop. A penny wise pound foolish. Pride goes before a fall. Even worms will bite. Appearances are often deceptive. The early bird catches its prey. Birds of a feather flock together. Misfortune never comes alone. Health is wealth. A sound mind in a sound body. Still waters run deep. Look before you leap. Fools live poor and die rich. Add fuel to the fire. Union is strength. One swallow does not make a summer. A chip of the same block. After a storm comes a calm. Give a loan and envy on. An enemy on. Beggars cannot be choosers. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Have God and have all. Slow and steady wins the race. Familiarity breeds contempt. Do not bite the hands that feed you. Give the devil his due. A new broom sweeps clean. Who will bell the cat? A drowning man catches at a straw. Out of the frying pan into the fire. Self help is the best help. Time and tide waits for no man. Sow the wind and reap the whirlwind. Make hay while the sun shines. Barking dogs seldom bite. Might is right. Knowledge is power. Might is right. A live ass is better than a dead lion. While in Rome, do as the Romans do. Knowledge is power. What's bred in the bone will come out in the flesh. The kick of the dame hurts, not the colt. God helps those who help themselves. No smoke without fire. Failure is but the stepping stone to the success. Handsome is that handsome does. Prevention is better than cure. Devil can cite scripture. Devil can cite scriptures. Prosperity brings friends, but adversity tries them. Society molds man. Time once lost cannot be regained. Truth never triumphs. Truth prevails. Honesty is the best policy. Strike the iron when it is hot. Where there is a will, there is a way. A tree is known by its fruit. Wisdom is better than riches. A wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. He that takes the sword shall be perished by it. The habit does not make the priest. Ask the king, so is the subject. Silence is half commitment. No man can serve two masters. It takes two to make a quarrel. To be born with a silver spoon in the mouth. Man purposed, God disposed. Many a trickle makes a mickle. A bad workman always blames his tools. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Absence makes the hurt grow fonder. A cat has 9 lives. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Action speaks louder than words. A drowning man will clutch at a straw. Adversity and loss makes a man wise. Better late than never. There is no such thing as a free lunch. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Beauty is skin deep. Actions speak louder than words. He is not poor that has little, but he that desires much. Many a true word is spoken in jest. Many hands make light work. Many minds. Lost but not least. Not least. He is not laughed at. Loves. Measure thrice and cut once. Learn wisdom by the follies of others. Judge not of men and things at first sight. He just at scars that never felt a wound. He knows best what good is that has endured evil. Everything comes to whom who waits. Think today, speak tomorrow. Think before you speak. The best fish swim near the bottom. Poverty is no sin. There are hands and glove. Politeness costs little, nothing, but yields much. Plenty is no plague. Pleasure has a sting in its tail. The best fish swims near the bottom. Self done is soon done. Lives without fix. Many words hurt more than swords. Patience is a plaster for all sorts. Beauty is the eye of the beholder. All good things must come to an end. Actions speak louder than words. Better safe than sorry. Easy come, easy go. What is done cannot be undone. What is got over the devil's back is spent under his belly. When children stand quiet, they have done some harm. Beggars can't be choosers. Beauty is eyes of the beholder. No man is an island. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. Two heads are better than one. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. His money burns a hole in his pocket. If we can't as we would, we must do as we can. It is good fishing in troubled waters. No man loves his fetters, be they made of gold. Half a loaf is better than no bread. He is not laughed at that laughs at himself first. Give him an inch and he will take an ell. Fools may sometimes speak to the purpose. Better late than never.